How to fix no sound problem on any Android. There are a lot of things that you'll need to check to fix sound. Firstly, check your device own sound. You can click on the volume up button and volume down button to maintain the sound. Additionally, you can also go to your notification and check from there also. While changing your sound, you will see a three-dot icon on your volume. Click on that and all the volume will show up. Now adjust every single one of them to see if that helps. Sometimes your device may be in silent, so make sure to check that also. Swipe down to open notification bar. You will see your volume. Now click on the speaker icon to change it to outdoor. Sometimes your device might be accidentally connected to any kind of Bluetooth, so make sure to check that also. If any device is connected to your Bluetooth, then make sure to disconnect it or turn off the Bluetooth option. Doing this will let the sound come from your own speaker. You can also try to open different apps and see if the volume is working. This will help you determine if the problem is in your app or phone. Also, check for any software updates that may be available for your device. That's all for today. Thank you.